Hello guys, back here again with another rail fanning video from your local Metro Detroit rail fanner. And this looks like containers to me. In fact, it is. And yeah, this is a container train, and let's all relax and enjoy this rail fanning day. A long one. There should be another rail fanner out there. Here is that bad boy. Let's capture this bad boy up. Rest in Paradise, April. That looks like cool graffiti art. I'll have to give some credit to them for this. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, everyone, if you haven't already, people. I'll see you guys later.